And welcome back. Second half action now. Goal attack Shanice Beckford is promising top quality and a highly competitive netball from the Sunshine Girls when they take on Caribbean rivals Trinidad and Tobago as well as England in 2 home series later this month. The Sunshine Girls will first oppose TNT in a 2-test series at the National Indoor Sports Centre on October 7 and 9 before facing the English in 3 test matches immediately after, also at the National Indoor Sports Centre. Beckford talked up the team's chances at Wednesday's launch of the series held at the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Education and Sport as Netball Jamaica was presented with a check of $2 million to help in its preparation for the series.
I just want to say on behalf of Netball Jamaica, I just want to say thank you for this contribution. This too will go a long way, and I rest assure you that in our upcoming series, we're going to play it to our utmost best. It's going to be exciting, fun, and we're going to play it with passion. And I hope for on this journey towards our World Cup in July, I hope that you will continue to support us and continue to just be there for us. Thank you.
Meanwhile, Sports Minister Olivia Grange underlined her confidence in the Sunshine Girls and their prospects in the upcoming series.
You're showing more and more class by your recent performances. And more we are convinced, I should say Jamaica is convinced that World Championship for you is just a few passes away. So we are waiting with bated breath. Also happy to tell you that the ministry has underwritten the cost for the entertainment package for the halftime shows of all of the matches.
And the series against England will be contested on October 11, 13 and 15.